guys, it's Shakshi Shetty and welcome to my channel. So like you all can see, I am surrounded with packages and I'm super excited because I haven't opened any of this. मैंने कुछ भी open नहीं किया है. I was waiting for you guys so that we can open it together and see what's inside. So by the title of the video आपको पता ही चल गया होगा कि आज के वीडियो में मैं करने वाली हूँ room decor and room storage haul. So I have never done something like this before और ये मेरे बहुत exciting है. मैंने काफी सारी चीजें ऑर्डर किए हैं. मुझे मेरा रूम पूरा रीडू करने का मौका मिलेगा. सो बाय द वे ये सारे पैकेजेस Banggood.com से है. सो Banggood इज दिस क्रेजी वेबसाइट जहाँ पे इतने सारे वैरायटी ऑफ गुड्स है. व्हाटएवर यू कैन थिंक ऑफ इट्स ऑल देयर. वहाँ पे सब कुछ है. इतने सारे कैटेगरीज है. आई हैव स्टक टू द होम डेकोर एंड स्टोरेज कैटेगरी बट ओवरऑल वहाँ पे इतने सारी चीजें हैं टू शॉप फ्रॉम बिकॉज देयर वर सो मेनी ऑप्शंस. मुझे काफी टाइम लगा कि इनमें से फाइनल में चूज क्या करूँ. And this video is in collaboration with them, so I received all of these goods for free. My reviews are going to be 100% honest. Now I personally also cannot wait कि अंदर क्या है. So without any further ado, let's get right into the packages and let's see what's inside. So सबसे बड़े वाले पैकेज से चालू करते हैं जो कि है ये giant सा एक पैकेज. मैं इसको ओपन करने वाली हूँ. मैं मेरा कटर नहीं ढूंढ पाई, सो एक्सक्यूज मी, आई एम गोना यूज अ नाइफ. Ooh, I think I know what this is. And this is one of the things I was really excited about. Okay. Can you see how happy I am? Super happy. So okay, so the first item that I have here is a huge gray carpet. I want a carpet for my room and this is a beautiful one. This is so soft. Oh my god, and this seems to be very huge. इसमें बहुत सारे folds है actually. मैं अगर सब ओपन करने जाऊंगी तो ये स्क्रीन पे फिट नहीं होगा. It's like very huge. और इसमें भी एक और एक फोल्ड है. So दो फोल्ड्स है. आई मीन इट्स सुपर ह्यूज. ओ माई गॉड, दिस इज ऑसम. ये कार्पेट का साइज कुछ ज्यादा ही बड़ा है which I'm so happy about. I'm in love with this carpet guys. This is amazing. सब चीजों के link in fact would be in the description box below in case you wanna buy it. They have such good collection. Like everything I could think of was already there with options. Everything that you see on Pinterest or Tumblr is probably there already on their website. Like that's how great their variety and collection is. So the first item gets a thumbs up, of course. Now which one do I choose? This is so much fun. So मैंने ये वाला उठा दिया है, second package. I don't know what's inside. Seems like there are two things inside this. So पहले मैं छोटा वाला ओपन करती हूँ. Okay guys, so this is a storage box actually. यहाँ पे एक क्रैक आ गया है. I don't know if you can see it, but यहाँ पे एक क्रैक सा आ गया है. I think probably delivery में हो गया होगा थोड़ा सा damage. This is how it is. You can store your things inside. It can be your jewelry. You can even adjust the size of the compartments like with the sliders. You can remove the slider or put it back. मैंने जब ये order किया, I didn't expect this to be this tiny. To be very honest with you, मुझे नहीं लगा कि ये इतना ज़्यादा tiny होगा. मुझे लगा थोड़ा सा तो बड़ा होगा. When I saw in photos, मुझे comparatively थोड़ा सा तो बड़ा लग रहा था. Check the sizes of the item and then order. Don't be like me. But overall, this is a very good thing. So इसी package के अंदर the next item that I have here is बहुत सारा पैकेजिंग है. अंदर भी एक पैकेजिंग है. So ये एक स्टार लाइट है. इसमें लाइट्स है. I don't know if you can see the lights on this and पीछे बैटरी डालना है मुझे. I have to put 2 batteries, so I have to buy it. मेरे पास अभी घर पे batteries तो है नहीं. I'll go and get them. You can hang it on the wall or just keep it on your desk side or study side. It's very cute. I've seen something like this, something similar to this on Tumblr और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा इसलिए मैं ये देखा, मुझे अच्छा लगा. So the next item I think I will one which is extremely in the bottom. क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. Okay. So two things are taped together. First thing is a drawer like this and comes with 9 compartments. इसका main purpose है not the most perfect YouTuber you might have seen, but please excuse me. So as you all can see by the picture, इसका main purpose है to like put stationery and everything inside, and I don't know if I'm going to use it specifically for stationery or am I going to use it for jewelry, like probably put all my rings on one side, some bracelets on one side, watches. I don't know how am I going to use it. I yet have to figure it out, but it's beautiful and the size is decent. I can store a lot of things in this. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about this as well. So the next item is again whoops. The next item is again a storage item, and this ka size is very big. It can accommodate a lot of things. इसमें I can store some of my makeup, my skincare, because मेरे room में exactly I don't have like a storage system for my makeup and skincare. So मुझे ऐसे कुछ चाहिए था जिसमें I can keep everything organized and in place. Every time I shoot a makeup video or every time I'm doing my makeup, I have to like remove everything. When I'm done, it's a mess और मुझे हर बार बहुत intensely clean करना पड़ता है. कोई proper systematic storage nahi hai mere paas. So this is gonna be very helpful. So I'm very happy about this. The color is cute. Overall it's very white and यहाँ पे सिर्फ light grey है. I think it's gonna match my carpet really well. Next item ये छोटू वाला देखते हैं क्या है. Okay, so the next item is a room decor item और ये कुछ ऐसा सा स्टिकर है और इसमें वर्ल्ड मैप ड्रॉन है. कलर्स बहुत क्यूट है. इट्स काइंड ऑफ टाइनी बट आई एम प्रीटी श्योर ये मैं कहीं ना कहीं उसको यूटिलाइज कर ही दूंगी बिकॉज द कलर्स आर डैम क्यूट. आई लव द एंटायर ऑम्ब्रेश थिंग, हाउ द कलर्स हैव ऑल जेल्ड अप विद ईच अदर. तो ये भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा है. सो द नेक्स्ट आइटम, इसके नीचे वाला जो है ये वाला लेते हैं. लेट्स ओपन दिस वन अप नाउ. Otherwise the packaging is amazing guys. Everything is like thermocol really well. Big items are thermocol really well. अंदर भी और एक पैकेजिंग है ताकि इसमें scratches भी ना आए. So much of mess away I'm gonna have a hard time, but it's overall worth it. So ये है the second kind of drawer. It's the same thing. It's like this has 3 compartments and slides down and there's a lot of space to keep a lot of things. So मैंने overall सिर्फ 2 drawer मंगाया है. Chill, I've not gone overboard with it. So I have the first one which is the grey one and this one. So these 2 things और इसमें मेरा काफी सारा सामान तो फिट आ ही जाएगा. So the color is very pretty. It's simple plain white just like how I wanted. So very happy and the size is really sufficient for me to like store my products. Next, so ये वाला open करती हूँ मैं. So इसमें 2 चीजें आई है. So the first one is this. Now let me show you what this is. So this is like a marble print wall sticker with like a 3D effect. So when it's stuck on the wall, you'll actually think that actual marble stuck है वहाँ पे. It's like a 3D thing. और इसके I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So overall 6 pieces का set मिलता है. एक side of the wall का area जो मुझे set करना है वहाँ पे काफी अच्छे से fit हो जाएगा. And the feel and touch of it मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. These are very easy if you wanna like redo your walls on a budget. All you have to do is remove the sticker from the back and stick it on the wall. They had a lot of designs and a lot of colors in this, so you can go ahead, give it a look. I am honestly very excited to like really redo my room, just get everything organized. Comment down below and let me know if you'd want to see another video where you want to see how I utilize all of these things and you want me to make like a whole new video for it. Comment down below and I'll totally do it. So उसी package में और एक item आया है. 2 item आए हैं actually और 3 item आए हैं. There are 3 packages. I'm sorry. First one, I know what this is. So the first one is just a bunch of like fake plants. So ये ऐसे पूरा strand आता है and you have like a common holder here and उसके stem से it looks pretty realistic. I know exactly where this is gonna go. So yeah, ये काफी अच्छा लगेगा. उसी में कुछ और है. I don't know what this is. ये है एक pineapple stand. Okay, so ये है एक pineapple stand. I'll again have to like get some batteries in it. इसमें तो 3 लगते हैं, so इसमें 3 batteries लगते हैं. In the picture it lit up like green over here and yellow over here. It looked damn cute. So this is another light. This is another room decor item which I'm really excited about. Woo! I think this is going to go really well with this because इसमें भी yellow होगा और ये तो already yellow है, so these two are going to look really good together. So मैंने उस चीज़ को ध्यान पे रख के मैंने ये दो lights मंगाए. The last item from that package is, now this is the only item which is like a non-decor and non-storage item, but this is something मैं control नहीं कर पाई. This is like a cute mini travel bag. If you guys didn't know, I love this color. It's like a mintish bluish greenish color. Like you can see that my walls, my room walls are also of this color, and the style of this bag is very unique actually. It's more like a travel trekking kind of backpack, but very tiny, like a very tiny version of it. And you have the straps which are also mint bluish color, which is my favorite color. And okay, you have it like this, and you have a whole lot of space to like keep a lot of things inside. If you're going on a getaway for a day or two, you can totally carry this backpack. It'll look very cute on pictures as well. इसको मैं room decor जैसे भी use कर सकती हूँ. I can hang it somewhere on the wall because it totally matches my room. So I don't know how I'm going to use it, but I'm definitely going to make a lot of use out of this backpack. Moving on, I'm on the last package. By now I'm really tired, but I can never really get tired of this. Like I don't mind doing something like this and getting tired. So it's fun and exciting. काफी आवाजें आ रही है. Like you all can see, it's very well packaged and sealed. Okay, इसमें again there are 4 items. First one that I have here, this is a very random wheel which is pretty cool actually, pretty antique retro-ish. I don't know if I'm gonna spray paint it into some other color or keep it this way because this also looks pretty cool like this. You can hang it on your wall. You have a hanger here. I saw something like this on Tumblr actually, and that's when I got inspired to get this. It gives a very beautiful touch to the wall actually. Oh, I remember what this is. This is a Leaning Tower of Pisa. Comes in a design like this, and you have 3 colors. You have the mint, pink and white color. You can use each cup of the tower and use like a coffee mug or something. Instead of going for a mint blue this time, I went ahead with creme color because I was very confused if I should go with the mint blue color because this is also the color that I actually love. But I was like, let me go with the color which is like the closest to the Leaning Tower of Pisa. So I still have to assemble, but this is how it overall looks. Exactly looks like a Leaning Tower of Pisa, and there are cups and glasses, so I can just keep it like this in the room, or I can also use these as like table stands or makeup brush stand, or use this as containers for storing my jewelry. And number of uses for this particular item. I really have the quantity that you get in this is insane, and 9 glasses you get free and 9 spoons obviously. So if you have like friends coming over or a party, you can have like drinks served in this, and this also looks pretty cool actually. Let's go to the third item. So in this particular package, I have like 4 phases of moon. The first one is the full one. The second one is a little semi-moon. The next one is even smaller, and this one is like the most phased out moon. So overall, when you put all of it together in like a row, it looks damn cool. Thought I could use this to like redo one of my walls in my room. If you want to like really make your room wall look sick and really cool on a budget, you can like pick out some set of stickers like this. Totally change the entire design of the wall and it would look pretty cool. Oh yes, I finally have them. I finally have it. It's been forever. I've wanted a light box. I don't know why, for some reason I did not order it, and I finally have one, and they also come with letters over here. Size is pretty huge and decent. They have a lot of sizes of light boxes as well. They have a lot of varieties of light boxes as well. Like if you want like colorful signs and everything, I went with the basic black and white, and I finally have a light box. So coming to the last item, can't believe we've reached the last item. So it's actually a room clock which is in the shape of cloud, and you have like tiers. Like how do I explain it? So you have multiple tiers in this, like cloud, raindrop, tier wale usme design mein. I hope I'm making sense. So Yeah, so in the tier thing, because I don't have a room clock, the black one also goes well with my theme. I am gonna add like a couple of raindrops here, and the whole thing is also there in a separate packet. I have to like figure this out and build the clock. So yeah, overall, those were all the items that I received from Banggood. Thank you so much, Banggood, for sending me all of these items and spoiling me. Honestly, I am blown away. I loved your items. Everything is beautiful and I can't wait to totally redesign my room. अगर आप लोग को देखना है उसे तो कमेंट करो नीचे, तो जब भी मैं पूरा सेट कर दूंगी उसका मैं सेपरेट वीडियो बनाऊंगी खास आप लोग के लिए. Meanwhile, I have to get back to cleaning this mess and taking care of it before people in my house freak out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell icon, follow me on my social media, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.